How to find manage devices settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find manage devices settings on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in the top corner you will find this three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and here you will find this one, security and login. Click on it and now just click manage devices, and as you see here you can manage and you can see your online devices. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.